Some pretty interesting weather here today. Doesn't know if it wants to sunshine or snow. I've seen both. And actually, it's snowing right over there right now. Pretty day though. A little bit of wind. Pretty nice and warm. Even though it's trying to snow.